Your engine deserves the best. And in 2025, synthetic oils are more advanced than ever. Whether you're looking for better fuel efficiency, extended engine life, or top-tier performance in extreme temperatures, we've got you covered. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best synthetic oils of 2025, handpicked for quality, reliability, and real-world performance. And hey, if you want to check out any of these products for yourself, all the links are conveniently listed in the description below. Let's dive in. Top 5 best synthetic oils of 2025. Pennzoil. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic 5W20 Motor Oil is our most advanced formula, delivering unbeatable protection against wear, sludge, and deposits. Designed for drivers who demand top-tier performance, it surpasses the toughest industry standards based on LSAC GF6 and excels in extreme temperatures, helping improve fuel economy and engine cleanliness. Whether you're navigating daily traffic or tackling rugged terrain, trust Pennzoil Ultra Platinum to guard your engine under the harshest conditions. It helps extend engine life for up to 20 years or 750,000 miles, whichever comes first, when used exclusively and according to the warranty terms. For peace of mind and peak performance, make every mile count with Pennzoil's most advanced motor oil. Royal Purple ROI 5153. Royal Purple Motor Oil is engineered for high performance, combining premium base oils with exclusive additive technologies to optimize engine efficiency and deliver outstanding protection. Fully compatible with both mineral and other synthetic oils, it allows for an easy upgrade without the need for special procedures. For new gasoline engines, Royal Purple recommends waiting until the manufacturer's first scheduled oil change before making the switch. Its API-licensed motor oils meet or exceed industry standards, including LSAC GF5 and Dexos 1 performance requirements, making them suitable for use in both gasoline and diesel engines. Whether you're seeking enhanced engine longevity or better overall performance, Royal Purple delivers reliability and innovation with every mile. 3. Valvoline. Valvoline Restore and Protect Premium Full Synthetic Motor Oil represents a monumental advancement in engine protection and performance. Built on 150 years of innovation, it leverages cutting-edge active clean technology to remove up to 100% of engine deposits with regular use, restoring engines to like-new cleanliness. Its proprietary LiquiShield technology forms a protective barrier to help prevent future buildup, ensuring long-term engine health. A cleaner engine reduces internal friction, which can lead to improved fuel economy, better horsepower, and extended engine life. Whether it's your car's very first oil change or you're maintaining a high-mileage vehicle, Restore and Protect delivers exceptional performance that no other oil can match. Renew. Restore. 2. Castrol. Castrol GTX Full Synthetic Motor Oil delivers exceptional protection, especially under the most demanding driving conditions that can cause significant engine stress and reduce engine life. Engineered with advanced full synthetic technology, it dramatically reduces engine wear and helps extend the life of your vehicle. This powerful formulation not only shields your engine from high-temperature breakdown, but also cleans away old sludge, proven effective in engines with high sludge levels, and prevents the formation of new sludge more effectively than the latest industry standards require. With Castrol GTX Full Synthetic, you get peace of mind and long-lasting engine performance. Mobil Full Synthetic Motor Oils. Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W30 is engineered to help extend engine life for vehicles of all ages by offering exceptional protection against the 5 key factors that contribute to engine wear over time. Its advanced synthetic formula features uniform molecules that reduce friction, minimize sludge and deposit buildup, and support engine cleanliness for up to 10,000 miles between oil changes. Designed to perform under extreme conditions, Mobil 1 helps keep engine temperatures cooler by more than 10% compared to conventional oils and provides outstanding thermal protection up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit while enabling quick starts in temperatures as low as -30 degrees Fahrenheit. Meeting ELSAC GF6 standards, it offers crucial defense against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, and timing chain wear, and helps improve fuel economy. Recommended by ExxonMobil for a wide range of vehicles, from modern high-performance engines to light trucks and SUVs, Mobil 1 remains America's leading synthetic motor oil brand and is trusted by automakers, mechanics, and NASCAR alike. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best synthetic oils for 2025. Whether you're a daily commuter or a performance enthusiast, choosing the right oil can make all the difference in protecting your engine and extending its life. If any of these picks caught your eye, you can find all the product links conveniently listed in the description below, along with up-to-date pricing and more details. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more gear reviews and car care tips. Have questions or a favorite synthetic oil we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned.